TruSkin Vitamin Dark Spots, dull skin, uneven tone. What if one simple step could change everything? Most people struggle with skin that looks tired, dry, and uneven. They try multiple products, but nothing really works long-term. The truth is, the problem isn't your routine. It's what your skin is missing. And one of the most important missing ingredients is vitamin C. Text. This is TruSkin Vitamin C Serum, a popular skincare product designed to improve skin tone and glow. But what makes it so effective? Scene 10. Explanation. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin. Scene 11. Text. It helps fight damage caused by pollution and sun exposure. Scene 12. It also supports collagen production. Scene 13. Text, which means smoother and firmer skin over time. Scene 14. And most importantly, it helps reduce dark spots. Here's what users love about this serum. Scene 16. Brighter skin tone. Fewer dark spots. Scene 18. Text. Scene 19. And a natural, healthy glow. Scene 20. It's also lightweight and absorbs quickly. Scene 21. Text. No greasy feeling. No heavy layers. Scene 22. Real talk. But let's be honest. Scene 23. Text. No skincare product works overnight. Scene 24. Text. Consistency is the key to real results. Scene 25. And everyone's skin is different. Scene 26. Text. If you want to try this serum, check the link in the description below and see the difference for yourself. Follow for more simple skincare tips.